Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have m cubed plus 27 equals to 0, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here first we rewrite this equation in this form. We have m cubed plus we write this 27 as 3 cubed and this whole equation equals to 0. So here you see that we have this m cubed plus 3 cubed. So here we use the nice cubic formula, and you know that if we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So we use here this nice cubic formula to the above term. So our above term will be written as m plus 3 times of m square minus m into 3 plus 3 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we use the nice cubic formula, and now we need a little bit simplifications here. So we again rewrite this equation as m plus 3 times of m square minus 3m plus 3 square equals to 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So in the next step we convert this equation in two cases, so that our first case is we write m plus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we write m square minus 3m plus 9 equals to 0. So in the first case we easily get the value of m equals to minus 3. So this is the first real root of the given question. So now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation, so that here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to apply the quadratic formula, first we need the coefficients of this term. So the coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to 9. So we write the quadratic formula here, and you know that about quadratic formula, it is in this form: minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the very well known quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. So this equation implies that m equals to minus b, and we have the value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. So our b is minus 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 9, and this whole divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1. So this equation implies that m equals to, this minus times of minus becomes plus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square equals to 9, and this 4 9s are 36, and this whole divided by 2. So we need some simplification here, and we rewrite this equation as 3 plus minus, we know that 9 minus 36 equals to minus 27, and its whole square root divided by 2. So here we rewrite only this radical term as, so this implies that our m equals to, we have this 3 plus minus, we write this 27 as 9 times of 3. We know that 9 times of 3 becomes 27, and we separate the square root of minus 1, and we write in this way, and this whole equation divided by 2. So we need simplification here, and we write it as 3 plus minus, we know that the square root of 9 is 3 into square root of 3, and we know that square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and this whole divided by 2. So this implies that we have our m equals to 3 over 2. Here we separate the fraction and we get 3 over 2 plus minus 3 into square root of 3 divided by 2 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So these are the three roots of the given equation. So these two roots are complex and the third root is real root. It is m equals to minus 3. So these are the three roots of the given question. So now we have another method to solve this problem. So here you remember one thing is that our given question statement is m cubed plus 27 equals to 0. So this equation, the degree of this equation is 3. So it means that the solution of this equation has only three roots or three roots. Okay, so the solution are or roots of this equation are equals to the degree of this equation. So if degree is 3, so it means that there are three roots of the given equation, and we rewrite these three roots as m1 equals to 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 into square root of 3 iota. So this is the first root, and m2 equals to 3 over 2 minus 3 into square root 3 over 2 iota, and its third root is m3 equals to minus 3. So these are the three roots of the given equation. So now if our question is written in this form, if we find the real roots of this equation, if we need only real roots to find this equation, or if we neglect its complex roots, then we have another method to solve this problem. So this method, in this method you just take the cube root on both of the sides. So first we move this 27 to the right hand side. So here this is the method 2, in which we find only real root. So first we move this 27 to the right hand side, and now we rewrite this 27 as minus times of 3 cubed. We know that 3 cubed equals to 27. So now here we take the cube root on both of the sides and we write it as m cubed and its whole power 1 over 3 equals to minus into 3 power 3 and its whole power 1 over 3. So here we cancelled these terms and we write it as m equals to minus times of 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 over 3. So these threes are cancelled by each other and we get its real root is m equals to minus 3. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.